East Coast.
My name is Blake, I'm the mixed-skilled stereotype that you might hate. I'm in game, and if we lose first round, I will leave. I'll come back in a minute just to tell you how I feel though. So you probably will be a bit angry, but that's okay, cause I eat anger like candy or Mandy. By now you should clearly understand me, I'm in every flipping game you ever played, quite frankly. Hand me a lemon and I'll make a flame on it, and I will aim for your head every time I enter maze, and I will block your way. I'm funny, swag, YOLO, A-split. No, you dummy, I am probably 12, maybe 13, and my parents should have never flipping given me steam. But it seems that I'm here now, so deal with it. When I kill her off, it's fun, it's cause I'm stealing it. Let's roll, back to CSGO. Everybody is trash, how can they be so low? You can kill me once, you can beat me though, cause I got skills, I should contemplate the be a pro. Let's roll, bitch, bash, push it. Doesn't matter if you miss that push. I could stop insulting you rats and boys, but because I have no plans, I don't have a choice. I'm not a troll, get your facts straight. Trolling has no reason, and that's exactly what I lack. Made my stats say I got a KDR of crack plays. You can't even beat me if you hack me, but that's fake. I am just better, you will hear that a lot. If I kill more than 0 guys, I will speak of clutch, but you won't hear that much if I suck set for this. Lol wall hack, he has hacks, kick me please. I will report you, and my father works at Volvo. If you didn't have packs, I will kill your team solo. YOLO, I own a mansion and you are hobos. I use offensive phrases, give my arguments fake homos. I never have bad days but bad mates, even if my team wins and I